Dear students, today we will see the revision of the topic number 7, that is Pressy writing. A shortening of text in one's own words is known as Pressy writing. What are the important points that you should consider? First, it should be 1/3 of the length of the original passage. So whatever passage is given to you, you should make 1/3 of the actual content. That is closer to 33%. Second, you need to identify the central idea and the main points. It is compulsory that in that 1/3 of the content you are covering all the main points related to the topic. Also, the central idea is expressed clearly. Third one, main ideas of the original text should be presented in the same order. It's an important one. An important point because it actually differentiates between summary and a Pressy writing. In summary, you have the freedom. You can take any particular point and arrange it in any form of sequence. But here, it is not possible for you to do so. The main ideas of the original text should be presented in the same order. I repeat, same order. If they have given you 5 points, all the 5 points should come in the same sequence. You cannot play or jumble the sequences of the numbers. So, third point, that is the main ideas of the original text should come in the same order. Fourth one is objective approach. You already know, one is subjective approach. When you add something of your own, it is called a subjective approach. If you are referring to the passage and writing as per the passage, it is called as objective approach. Title should be suitable, it should be logical, it should make sense, it should speak about the passage. These are the 5 important points that one should consider while Pressy writing. Qualities of good Pressy writing. It is 1O and 5C. 1O, that is objectivity. We already seen what is objectivity. You should have objective approach. You should write as per the passage. You need to be unbiased. That is impartial. Second point is clarity. Ideas should be clear and easy to understand. Next is correctness. You need to be correct in terms of grammar, in terms of sentence arrangement, in terms of facts and figures. Coherence is nothing but connectivity. There should be proper connectivity of ideas and sentences. Conciseness. You need to be short and clear, whatever you write. Completeness. You should give complete information. These are the qualities of good Pressy writing. So if we repeat the topic, it is qualities of good Pressy writing 1O and 5C. 1O stands for objectivity, that is objective approach and unbiased. Unbiased means the person needs to be impartial. Second, clarity. Ideas should be clear and easy to understand. Correctness in terms of grammar, sentences, facts and figures. Coherence, it stands for proper connectivity of ideas and sentences. Conciseness, it means whatever you write, it should be short and clear. Completeness, one should give complete information. The important points we have already seen, that is, you need to make 1/3 of the given length of the original passage. You need to identify the central idea and the main points. Third one, what we had seen earlier, the main ideas of the text should be presented in the same order. It's an important point. It actually differentiates between summary writing and Pressy writing. If they have given you 5 points, it needs to come in the same sequence. Objective approach, the same as objectivity, write as per the passage. You need to be impartial. You can't add anything of your own. Title that you are giving to the passage should be a suitable and a logical one. This is all about the topic.